Now here we will make our next part cabinet, or you can say cabin. So let's start. Choose here right plane, sketch, select here line, and start from, just pass through origin, connect it, exit. Make the origin point and select this line, make relation midpoint. That's it. Now let's define it. 1100 millimeter, 1050 millimeter, 100 millimeter. Let's make the horizontal distance 400 millimeter. Okay, go to feature and extrude it, and extrude up to 980 millimeter. Keep end condition mid plane. Okay, now select this face, sketch, normal, convert entity. Now this is converted. Choose here offset 40 millimeter and select this line. Keep reverse direction. Okay, now select extruded cut. Here select this portion, we want to cut it. Keep here end condition through all. Okay, now see, let's choose top plane. Convert this also, convert entities, offset, reverse, keep 40 millimeter. See here, extruded cut. Select this face only, and not through all, we want to cut little. Okay, that's it. Now select again right plane, sketch, normal, choose here corner rectangle, cut from here to this point, select extruded cut. Now you can see it here, mid plane, keep 900 millimeter. Okay, that's it, you can see here. Now select inside face, sketch, corner rectangle, exit. Okay, it's go inside here, that's it. Select here extruded cut and make the depth 30 millimeter only. That's it. Now select this face, sketch, normal. Now select the inside lines. Okay, convert entities. Now extrude it. And we want to extrude it up to 10 millimeter, but not make it reverse direction. That's it. Let's try to mirror this option. So right plane, mirror, extruded boss. Okay, okay, that's fine, it's mirror. Now select top face, sketch, normal, select here offset, cancel it, select this line, offset, 10 millimeter, reverse, 2, 3, and the last one 4. We want to cut from inside, so okay. Extruded cut. Let's say 10 millimeter. Okay. See, we make the groove. So here our roof and glass will be going to fixed here. Now here let's make the ventilation holes. So select this face, sketch normal. Let's make corner rectangle. Now let's define it. Keep the rectangle 50 by 50 millimeter. Vertical length 50 millimeter and keep horizontal length also 50 millimeter. Okay. Select here extruded cut. Keep through all. Okay. Now with the help of linear pattern, we will make multiple number of patterns here. Linear pattern. Choose this direction. Features, select extruded cut. Dimension 60 millimeter away. -16 millimeter number of patterns here. Let's choose direction 2 also. It's going wrong direction, so reverse the okay, this looks perfect. Okay, that's perfect. Now here select instances to skip. Those points going outside, it is very important command in linear pattern or in circular pattern. You can skip those unnecessary points. These are going to strike here, so let delete this all point. This one I think no need. This one it's that's fine. This one and this one. This is also going to strike. Let reduce this also. This point also very near. Select here OK. See, let's check here, going 2 points, 3, 4. These all 4 points going to strike here, so edit. Uncheck this point, this point, this point and this point, because they are going to strike here. Select this one also. OK. Now that's fine. Nothing is going to strike this column. A sketch. Here make a hole. $50mm, 25mm, and keep 20mm. Okay, and select here extruded cut through all. You can see it here. Now select this inside face, sketch, normal, corner rectangle. Now here we will fix some glass. Extrude it and extrude up to 5mm. Unmerge result. Okay. Now select this face and go to appearance. Check here glass, and any glass we can apply. Okay, that's blue glass. Select the body and we will apply some dark color to the body. Not too dark, this one quite better. Okay, that's it. Now here we want to create a handle. So first let's create a plane. Select this face and backside face. So the plane going to create in mid of this pillar. Okay, select this plane 1, sketch, normal, choose here line, exit, 260mm, 80mm. Let's define the dimension from upper corner. 320mm. It seems quite bigger, so 230, 60. That's fine. Choose fillet, 20mm, 30mm. Okay, fully defined sketch, calculate. Okay, now exit. Now here we created a geometry, so select, just hide this plane, click plane, hide. Now select this face, sketch, circle, and to this point draw a circle. $14mm, exit. Now choose here Swift Boss Base. See, it's going to see profile and path we selected here. Okay. Now let's try to mirror this part. Right plane, mirror, and select this part here, and let's see whether it's okay. So handle also we created here. So now let's save this part to BobCAT part 2 cabin. Save. Let's see what other parts we. Now it's time to create a bucket for BobCAT. So let's start. Choose here right plane sketch. Now here first we will make the main body of bucket. So let's make a choose here line and pass through connect exit. Now this is the main body of bucket, so let's define it. Make origin point and line midline. That's it. Keep 20 millimeter, 135 degree, 122 degree, 55 degree, make it 400 millimeter, 155 millimeter, 20 millimeter, here by mistake this happened. Delete this tangent relation. Okay, now try 60 millimeter. That's it. Origin point and select this line also and make one more relation midpoint. Okay, it's already midpoint, so that's fine. Now here let's check all the things. Fillet, select 50 millimeter and select these two corners. Okay, now let's define this length. $600. Okay, this is the important relation. Now see, the geometry is fully defined. The last one, fillet, and make radius 140 millimeter and select this corner. That's it. Now select extruded base and keep the bucket length. We will keep 1600 millimeter long and mid plane keep the. Okay, that's it. Right plane sketch normal. Now we want to cut something inside, so select this face, offset, reverse. Okay, now delete this line I'll tell you what kind of line we need to delete it. Select here line, connect up to this line and this line, and connect to this line, exit. Now here select both the lines, go linear. Select these two lines, go linear. Now that's it, our geometry is defined. Here also go linear. Select extruded cut. Mid plane and make the length 1580 millimeter. Okay. See, we cut it from the inside. Sketch normal, and here also we need to cut some portions. Select this outer edges and this. Convert entities, choose here line and connect with up to here, down, exit. Let's define this gap distance from here 500 millimeter. Okay, and select both the lines parallel. That's it. Trim entity and trim this outer line. Extruded cut, this is only impression, we are going to make some impression on the body. 7 millimeter. That's it, nothing else. Now we need to make a lifting hook here. So first let's create a plane, right plane, 590 millimeter. Okay, now choose this plane, sketch normal. Now select this curve only, convert entities, circle, draw a circle here. Now let's define vertical length 150 millimeter, the same as horizontal length 130 millimeter. Dia 40 millimeter. Okay, now choose here line and start from this point to up to here, convert it into arc and connect with this point, exit. Make relation tangent and select this circle point and this point coincide. Let's define this point, diameter radius 60 millimeter. So that's it. Now select extruded boss. It's going to extrude up to 80 millimeter. Keep reverse direction. Okay, now hide this plane. Now select right plane and here choose mirror. First select this extruded part and the last one, this cutout. Okay, see, now here we want to make the sharp point of a bucket. So okay, we will use the same plane, that's better. Sketch normal. Here choose hidden line visible. That's it. choose here line. Up to this point, down, convert, exit line. From here, now convert it into arc, exit. By default, this is 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter also, 60 millimeter, 5 millimeter, radius 150 millimeter. Okay, and select this distance 40 millimeter. That's it. This is perfect for our geometry. Select extruded boss base, mid plane, now keep mid plane and unmerge the result. Okay, now select this face, sketch, and here we want to create some hole. First define a diagonal, construction line, then choose circle, (12 millimeter). Okay, and select here extruded cut, keep through all. Okay, now again select the same face, sketch, circle, this is the center point, and make it 20 millimeter, and select extruded cut and cut up to 10 millimeter only, not through all. Okay, that's it. Now here we want to fix some bolt, sketch, circle, keep 17 millimeter, extrude 8 millimeter. Okay, fillet 1 millimeter. Okay, now select again inside face, sketch, circle, and make it 12 millimeter, and extrude up to bottom, reverse direction. Okay, 8 millimeter is sufficient. Unmerge result. Okay, okay, this is merged with this body. That's it. Same face, sketch, choose here polygon, and center point, (5.5), extruded cut, make the depth 4 millimeter. Okay, now it's time to no, let finish this. Select bottom face, sketch, center line, exit. Choose here line, and here you will find out one point. That's it. Convert into an arc. Cancel it. Convert into an arc. Again, again, again. No, this exit. Exit. Choose here line. Now select both the end point and midline. Symmetric relation. Okay. Now let's choose 30 millimeter. Okay, this is by default. Now select extruded cut. Keep through all. Okay. Now this is the bucket knife. So select this knife and make it some color. Okay. We will choose it blue. For this nut we will choose some orange. That's it. Now it's time to make multiple number of bucket knife. Linear pattern. Make it 50 millimeter gap. Here choose feature and direction 2 we don't need. 9 numbers. Okay, we forget to add this one, so add it. Here select this all faces. It shows error, then clean it. Select bodies 1 and 2. Let's try this body because we unmerge this result. Only it will possible by unmerge. Okay, that's it. See, this is possible if you unmerge this body, then only possible, otherwise it creates difficulties. Now let's save this. Make some dark color. Okay, this is better. Save part number 3 bucket. Let's see what other parts available here.